What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to another video. I should have a hell of a lot more energy today. Number one, as you guys see, I got my cup of joe with me. And number two, I'm feeling a hell of a lot better today. So you guys saw the title of the video. I'm gonna be working on some wrap on the car. I'm fixing all the issues with the wrap ripping off or peeling off. And then I have a little thing I want to do on the car. So there's this dude I follow on Instagram. His Instagram handle is Panda STI. He's got a super clean, it's like 2015, 2016, that generation. It's a yellow STI on air ride, rolling on like polished rotiform wheels. Super freaking clean car. And what he did with his wing, he's also running an APR wing on his car. It's the yellow car, keep this in mind. So it's pretty bright color like this. And what he did is the inside of the end plate, he wrapped to match the color of the car. So right here is yellow on his car. And I honestly think, guys, it looks freaking awesome on that car. I don't know how well it's gonna look on this car, but that is the beauty of vinyl wrap, guys. You can vinyl wrap something. If you don't like it, you can go peel it back off. So I'm gonna be doing that as well on this car, provided I have enough orange vinyl. Pretty sure I do. That's a pretty small section. So first thing I'm gonna do is get all the vinyl fixed on this car, on the body itself. And I've showed you in previous videos, but if you're new to the channel, I will show you guys what's going on. Right here, as you can see down in here, it's kind of getting sandblasted off from all of the gravel and rocks that were on the road. When I lay these panels here, that's all one panel and it's stretched over this edge. When I stretch the vinyl over the edge and on the whole side, when you stretch it, it gets a lot thinner. And so when a rock hits it, it chips it a lot easier and kind of just sandblasted that vinyl right off of there. And I fixed one section on the rear of the car because the rear is actually a lot worse. It is on the other side. Ooh, that looked really bad right there. Oh, never mind. That was just mud. Whew. Thank the Lord. As you can see, it's holding up awesome. So what I'm gonna do, see this line right here? I'm gonna cut the vinyl right on that line and then peel all that old vinyl off, clean it, prep it, and then just lay a new piece in there. The new piece won't be stretched at all. We will not have any issues whatsoever with the new vinyl. That's what I'm thinking, at least. So let's get to work. First thing I'm gonna do, just clean it up with some water, get all this mud off here. Now I'm gonna cut it right on the edge. This is very crucial that you cut this properly. I'm doing it right on this edge. I'm gonna use my fingers as a guide, or one of my fingers as a guide for the blade, just because you don't want to cut over here or else we'd have to relay the whole panel, and I don't want to do that. So take your time, make some nice cuts. And I've showed you guys a lot of vinyl wrapping before, but I feel like you guys really like to see this on the channel. We have all of the damaged vinyl off. Next thing I'm gonna do is clean it with isopropyl alcohol, which is diluted. Now we are ready to lay some vinyl in there. So I got a big chunk of orange right here. So I'm gonna start right at the bottom down here and kind of just work my way up, just using my finger. Now I'm gonna go around inside edge, the bottom edge, and the top edge with the knife. What we also could have done right there is laid knifeless tape through here, but I'm just gonna use a knife. Just very lightly cut this backside or the inside of this vinyl here. Now I'm gonna trim this bottom section. Now I'm gonna grab my heat gun and I'm gonna heat this edge and pull the film over, and then you'll see where I cut the vinyl before, and I'm gonna overlap about 1/8 inch. Hopefully that makes sense to you guys. Same concept as using knifeless tape, we're just not using knifeless tape. So I don't know if you guys can see this, but there's a little line in the vinyl right there. That is where the edge of this vinyl stop is, right there. So I'm gonna go and overlap it about 1/8 of an inch. So it'll be right on this body line right here. And you will not see where I cut it. This is the definitely most important part of the project, is making sure we got our line cut properly. And we only wanna cut through the first thing, or the first layer of vinyl, and not both layers of vinyl. And you do that by just scarring. So you're using just the tip of your knife and just scarring the vinyl itself and not actually cutting all the way through it. So after we get that line cut, we're gonna run over that cut with a heat gun and just our finger, and it'll blend right in, guys. It's gonna look perfect when we're done. So I'll throw a before on the screen right now, and here is an after. 100% perfect, done. So I'm gonna go bust out the other two sides because I already did one. And then we can do the fun part of the video, which is gonna be wrapping the wing itself. Or not the wing, the end plates. Alright bros, all of the vinyl wrap issues on the car is fixed, and now it's time for the fun part, wrapping the end plates on the wing. So what I'm gonna do, of course I gotta pull off the end plate, so it just takes a little 5mm Allen wrench. Oh, never mind, it's a 4mm. Shout out to Panda STI for the idea. Highly doubt you watch my videos, but if you do, I dig your car, brother. Alright, so the same thing as wrapping anything else. It's all cleaned with isopropyl alcohol. I blew it off with compressed air because I want this to turn out good. And got a piece of vinyl, peel it off. This is just completely flat, so this is gonna be super simple to do. And just lay it on here. I could probably be using a squeegee for this. I'll probably hit it in the end with a squeegee. Just like that, guys, it's already wrapped. Probably not the best seat. I'm gonna trim the excess with my blade, or my knife here. Alright, I'm gonna hit it with a squeegee real quick, and we will be done. Look at that, flawless finish. Alright, she's done. All done except for these 2 holes in the center. I'm just gonna use my knife on these as well. Very simple to cut these out, guys. Just use the tip of the blade. Nothing, no science behind this. Always gotta make sure your blade is sharp though. Always gotta make sure that thing's sharp. Okay, let's get it on the car, and I'll show you my reaction when I see it for the very first time. Alright guys, I have not looked at it yet. Haven't looked. Let me shut the door. And let's see how this looks. Damn, that looks freaking sick. That looks so sick. Let me show you guys. It's a very subtle mod, like, okay. That's the wrap side, obviously. It's orange. That is a not wrapped side. So from the outside of the car, like right here, you couldn't see it being wrapped. But when you come around to the inside, you can see it. So it's a very subtle mod. It kind of just adds my own little touch to the wing, and I think I like it a lot. And if in the future I don't like it, I can always peel it off, which is super nice with the vinyl. Super nice. You can do that with the vinyl. Of course, you can't do that with paint. Both end plates are done. I think it looks super sick. But of course, I want to know all my homies' opinions. So go down in the comment section below, drop a fat ass comment, let me know what you think. Be honest though, if you think it's ricey, freaking ugly, let me know. If you think it's badass like I do, let me know. I'm gonna pull this thing outside and show you guys exactly how she looks. Alright bros, I'm gonna wrap up this dope little video right here. At least I think it was dope. Make sure you guys go in the comment section below and let me know what you think of the wing wrap. I think it looks dope, but I wanna know what you guys think, so make sure you guys go let me know down below. Anyways, if you enjoyed the video, hit that subscribe button right up in that corner up there. Thank you, as always, so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video.